Hi, my name is Mark Vondrasek, and I'm a physics teacher at Evanston Township High School. And in this video, I want to get into kind of the meat of SEL programs that so many districts around the country are taking on. And that's to use SEL, social emotional learning, to promote those skills, to embed those skills within classrooms. Now, especially at the high school and middle school levels where we have subject area teachers, I know the big concern and the big challenge that teachers generally have not been trained in is how do you embed SEL into content lessons? So other videos that I've made and that perhaps you've seen, or perhaps you've seen other types of SEL videos, if you have a decent understanding of what SEL is and what the skills are, and you understand why it's important and why it has become a district goal for so many districts around the country, what do you do with it? As an actual classroom teacher, how do you work with it? How do you embed this within your content areas, within your subject areas? That's the point of this particular video. So there's all sorts of examples that we've made available at Evanston Township High School in our SEL teacher toolkit. This is something that's comprehensive. It has all the background of SEL, what it is, evidence that it works, this and that. But our colleagues have actually shared lessons that embed SEL in them. You can go there and take a peek at those if you wish. There are so many different organizations and individuals who are putting examples online now. Some of the main ones, Castle, that's like the founding group of SEL in schools 30 years ago. Edutopia has a whole section just on SEL, and they provide lessons and articles and ideas that the other educators have come up with, and they're sharing with teachers. Teachers Pay Teachers have literally thousands of different lessons and resources on there. Education.com is another one that has numerous lesson plans made by teachers for teachers. But the thing I wanted to share here is if you don't want to go elsewhere, if you want to start doing this yourself, it turns out that a great way to do this and to get ideas and build up almost like a personal, or if you want to share it with your colleagues in your departments, a library of possible lessons that include SEL skills. Let's use the latest craze, these new AI technologies, artificial intelligence, something like ChatGPT is the main one getting all the press right now. Within literal seconds, you can have ideas. And I just wanted to show you in a short video of what that looks like, and how easy it is to do, and how to build up ideas that you can actually use with your students. So I'm going to leave the slide deck here and go to ChatGPT. When you go on there and you have your own account, and I'm just using the free account, this is what it looks like when you open up a new chat. And down here at the bottom, I'm putting in, up in the prompt area, provide 5 lesson ideas for high school physics that include SEL skills of appreciating diversity, teamwork, and empathy. That's all I'm saying. I just wanted to, if I'm new to this, right? I want to start building up lessons with SEL at my high school. SEL is one of the 4 priorities, one of the 4 goals that our entire district is following. And so I want to do a good job with this. I want to get ideas and start doing this from scratch. And keep in mind, I'm a physicist. I'm a PhD physicist. I was never trained in SEL. But let's just see what happens when I put this in and let the AI do its thing. Okay, so literally, this is in real time in seconds. It's developing all these different things, physics and popular culture, building bridges, like actual bridges, engineering for inclusion. So it's given me all of these different ideas here. physics and social justice, collaborative problem-solving challenges. And then what you can do when you do like a general thing like this, now I can expand on this. And I could make it more specific. Let's say I'm going to teach a unit on Newton's laws. I'm going to ask for three lesson ideas that include SEL skills with Newton's laws of motion. And let's just see what this does for me. And again, literally in seconds, it's coming up with a variety of different ideas, all circled around Newton's laws. Here's teamwork, communication, and empathy are the three SEL skills that are built into this first one. The second one has empathy and perspective taking. And then empathy and ethical reasoning when you have actual car collisions out in the world. Okay, so even if I don't use these as it wrote it out, I can take these, I can copy these and paste them right into. I'm just going to copy. I'm going to go to just a Google Doc. I can paste them right in there and start building my library. And now I can take it, I can edit these within the Google Doc. I can make them my own. I can share these with other people. I can expand on these however I want and include at whatever level, whether it's a first year class, an honors level class, or an AP class. I can make it appropriate for that particular level of the physics. And anyone can do this with any subject area and any topic within that subject area. It's quick and easy to use. You can make them yours. You can share them. You can collaborate with other teachers and swap ideas and maybe, if you want to do multidisciplinary work with a friend in another department, you can both just sit down with ChatGPT, punch in your idea, and it will start sharing and creating, again, within seconds, different ideas that you can take and use or throw out. It's up to you. So these are the types of things that we can do and learn very quickly that it is possible to embed SEL within content lessons. There's nothing magical about it. It's really making your classes more realistic, more real life. My experience when I do this with my students is that they learn the material better because they're more into it, they're more engaged, because they see a direct link between the classwork and the coursework with their lives. And if you can do that, that's incredibly powerful. And at the same time, they're learning the SEL skills. These are the life skills. In many ways, these might be more important than the content we're trying to teach them if they don't go into that as a major in college. But the SEL skills are the life skills. And that's what we're trying to do with this. So until next time, we'll see you later.